If you do not step out of the car, I will break this window and I will drag you out of the car. Do you understand?
So now you're threatening.
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you, okay?
On September 8th, 2025, at 11:17 p.m., a deputy spotted a suspicious Department of Transportation tag and initiated a stop that quickly hit a wall.
2102, show me out 2340.
2102, show me traffic on this vehicle, Huntington Place. How you doing?
Hello, sir.
Deputy Lowe with the Sheriff's Office, okay?
Yes, sir.
Reason for the stop, what's up with that tag? What tag is it?
That's the DOT, Department of Transportation tag, sir.
Do you have a tag for the vehicle?
Yes, so that is a tag for the automobile.
Okay, do you have a driver's license and registration for the vehicle? Okay. Do you have proof of registration for the vehicle? There's no state for that tag. It's not coming back to anything, so that's why I'm asking.
Here's my identification, sir.
Okay, that's a passport card. Do you have a driver's license? What's that?
That is my identification.
Do you have a driver's license out of Florida or any other state? Registration or insurance for the vehicle?
Sovereign.
Yeah, no. So you don't have a driver's license in the state of Florida, right? Okay.
I have my identification here.
That's not a driver's license though. Huh?
You have your body cameras on?
Yes, I do.
I
It's recording.
just want to make sure.
Okay. What's your first name?
Okay, so am I being understood?
What I'm gonna have you do is turn the car off.
So this is my automobile.
What's that? Because I'm gonna have you step out, okay? You don't have a driver's license. You're not allowed to be operating the vehicle, okay? What's that? Because we're gonna have a conversation in the back of my car.
So I'm going to have a conversation here. Am I under custodial arrest, sir?
What's that?
Am I under custodial
Right now you're being detained. You understand? Operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. I don't know what that means, okay? Dan, go over here. We're gonna pull.
Roll down your window. Ma'am, roll down your window. Ma'am, roll down your window all the way so we can talk.
Okay, so I'd rather not for my safety.
What's that?
I'd rather not for my safety. I can hear you.
Ma'am, you have to get out of the car, so go ahead and shut the car off and step out. You're not producing any of the required documents that you're supposed to have?
Right, so I can show you some documents.
I need a Florida registration.
Okay, so I'm presenting to you my ID, sir.
Okay.
Listen.
Here.
I'm not.
Let me have that. Let me have it.
So I'm presenting
Ma'am,
to you my ID.
It doesn't work that way, okay? I need your ID so I can run it.
Okay, so here's my ID, sir.
Okay. Now, do you have a valid registration?
Okay, so I have a bond for this automobile.
What's
I
that?
have a bond for this automobile. Like, you run the back.
Okay.
Paperwork.
Yes, I need your paperwork and I need your insurance. All right.
We'll go suddenly so I can-
All right, go ahead. Just keep an eye on her.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna have you dig through a bag right now. I'm telling you to unlock this car and step out. Do you understand me?
Sir, I'm getting my paperwork.
Any weapons or anything inside the car?
No, sir. He just asked me for my paperwork.
If you do not step out of the car, I will break this window and I will drag you out of the car. Do you understand?
So now you're threatening.
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you, okay?
You just told me that you're gonna
Unlock the car and step out. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yeah, hold on.
Ma'am, don't turn this into something that it doesn't need to be, okay? If you step out and you cooperate with us, we'll cooperate with you. If you do not, you're going to go to jail.
Unlock the car and step out of the car now.
The driver's refusal to exit the vehicle led to her being detained after she repeatedly claimed that state laws didn't apply to her private travel. Do you think officers should spend more time explaining the law to sovereign citizens?
I found the car.
Stand right back here in front of my hood. So let's try this again. Do you have a driver's license issued in the state of Florida? No.
No,
She
I don't
does,
have
but
it.
it's suspended. Same with the
Well,
car. The car's
That
registration.
was surrender, sir.
It
That
says-
was
it
voluntary.
says suspended,
I understand that.
But
That was
you also
voluntary.
have no insurance.
Okay.
And your registration was
So
canceled.
the driver's license was surrendered voluntarily, but I also have paperwork for that, but that's back in my car. So
Okay.
showing that I have my driver, I went to the DMV and I surrendered that voluntarily. I have my paperwork.
Because it was suspended.
So,
Your vehicle is going to be towed,
Do me a favor.
and he's going to write you some tickets.
so why is my vehicle being towed?
Because we cannot operate on the roads in the state of Florida. It doesn't have insurance and it's not registered.
That's why
I
he's suspended.
understand. That's
So you
what it
realize
says in the
you
system.
know you don't have a license and you're driving. All right. Your car's not insured and it's not registered. All right. And you can't drive like that in the state of Florida.
If you don't want to abide by the law, man, that has nothing to do with us. Okay? And we're
You done with your phone call? Who are you talking to on your phone call?
I'm talking to a family member.
Okay.
sir.
Put the phone on top of his hood.
So who is ordering the vehicle to be? I mean, my automobile to be towed? Who is?
Man, we are law enforcement officers of the state of Florida. We enforce the laws of the state of Florida. That's the rules here.
Okay, so sir, why do I have to put my phone?
Okay, because
on
right now
him?
you're being detained, okay? You're not listening. We're not going to play this game, alright? Let's go.
I'll just-
Have a seat. What up, what up?
Yeah. Her car's been.
I'm not playing this game. She's going.
She knows her driver's license is suspended too. So
21 to adult female 10-13. What were those papers that she handed you?
So it has her name on there. So it's not that she's, well, you have to confirm that's her name.
Huh?
Okay. Is it, Antonia? Okay. Just make sure.
Dan, can you stay with her real quick, please? Okay. Before I ask you some questions, I'm going to read you something, okay?
Yeah, so she provided.
Is that the name that was on her, that little ID she gave you?
She gave you all ID?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have your lawyer present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford a hire lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for questioning. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering any time to speak with a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Passport, identification card. So she knowingly is driving without a license.
I don't understand.
Yes or no? Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Well, I'm not waiving any of my rights, sir.
I can't hear you. What?
I'm not waiving any of my rights, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah,
Yes, how you doing?
I'm doing well.
All right, so, what was her name?
So I understand what you're saying, sir.
Okay, having
Her name is Antonia.
Antonia, okay. So my Antonia is gonna go to jail today, okay?
Where's he gonna be? Why is he going to jail, sir?
She does not have a valid license and she has knowledge of that, and her vehicle is also not insured, and it's not registered either.
Okay, having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk with me?
No, sir.
Okay.
She doesn't even have a license. Her license was
Suspended.
surrendered.
It's suspended.
Her license was surrendered before all of that right there anyway.
Right, but you understand that you don't need to have a physical license for your license to be suspended.
Your wallet and your phone is going to be coming with you, okay? Your car is being towed.
Her license.
This is your wallet?
Yes,
It's going to be coming with you. Your wallet.
Okay, so
Okay, ma'am. In order to operate the vehicle, on the roads in the state of Florida, you need to have a valid Florida driver's license. Okay, so that's why she's going to jail, because she does not have one, and she has knowledge that she does not have one.
No insurance on the vehicle either.
And there's no insurance on the vehicle, and she doesn't even have a tag on the vehicle.
Following her arrest, the driver's insistence on using her passport as a traveler's permit was dismissed by the court, as Florida law strictly requires a valid state-issued license for the operation of motor vehicles. Because she could not produce proof of insurance or a valid registration, her car was held in a long-term impound, where the storage fees quickly exceeded the vehicle's market value. In court, the judge rejected her sovereign citizen filings, sentencing her to 1 year of proof. Following her arrest, the driver's insistence on using her passport as a traveler's permit was dismissed by the court, as Florida law strictly requires a valid state-issued license for the operation of motor vehicles. Because she could not produce proof of insurance or a valid registration, her car was held in a long-term impound, where the storage fees quickly exceeded the vehicle's market value. In court, the judge rejected her sovereign citizen filings, sentencing her to 1 year of probation and ordering over $1,500 in fines for the combined traffic and criminal violations. Additionally, she was required to complete a mandatory law and ethics course as a condition of her release. This incident serves as a clear illustration that pseudo-legal documents and surrendered licenses offer no protection against the standard requirements for using public roadways. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.